Our district is committed to equitable practices, and that includes the learning environments. So since 2017, we've been laser focused on ensuring that we have safe and secure facilities and that we have environments that are adequate with highly effective educators to ensure that we follow through with the district mission of being college, career, and community ready for all of our students.
It was 2021 when the board commissioned a comprehensive study of all of our facilities. That study evaluated the structures, the components of the systems, the grounds, educational adequacy, and we were using that data to address some key concerns for the district. The first is declining enrollment. Declining enrollment means less state revenue to operate our district. So we were looking at a consolidation effort to address the cost of operating the district and bring it in line with that revenue.
Prior to 1993, when a school district had a capital project, they had the ability to go out and borrow money for what was needed, and whether it be replacing roofs or constructing a new building. Since 1993, when revenue limits were put into place by the state legislature, districts are now required to ask the voters to approve borrowing money for their needs.
The referendum that we're coming to the community for is going to enhance the facilities that will be primarily impacted through consolidation. We want to make sure that if students are moving from their building into a new one, that what they're walking into is better than what they've had before.
Some of the major projects are renovations at Doty, Beaumont, Lincoln, and Chapel. Also includes a new elementary school on the west side. Consolidation on the west side and building a new facility will not only energize the western portion of our district, but it will create more efficiencies for the building staff, our maintenance, energy, and just create excitement on that west side, similar to what we had done in the past on the east side with Baird Elementary.
Right now, I'm sitting in the new Baird Elementary. The day that the doors opened on this school was a big day for our district. And of course, you see the smiling children and excited staff. But on even a larger level, the impact it has had on the community around this school has been profound.
One of the things that I'm hearing from teachers that excites them the most is flexibility and adaptability within the space. A common theme really that is contributing to students being engaged in the work is their opportunity to come together as learners, but then also move into partner work, small group, and things like that. And so what's really important is that our spaces are designed with an approach to learning in mind.
What is the impact to the taxpayer? So the school district is in the process of paying off the debt from the November 2022 referendum. That will allow the school district to go back out, borrow money supported by this referendum without increasing the mill rate.
You can feel the buzz in the community, you can feel the buzz in the schools. Something's happening and change is on the horizon for the district, and it's a good change. The work that we've been doing because of the referendums, this room, go to any of the district schools and you'll see some of the changes that we've made over the last couple of years, all to enhance the learning experience for our children and create an environment that our staff and our parents can be proud of.